Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. I received a question. Someone asked how to operate this Samsung ceramic inside microwave. I lost the menu, but what I'm going to do is just to give you the basic information. I hope this will help you to operate this microwave that I'm using. Basically, you have this function from here. The first one is healthy cooking. Okay, so you start from number 1. From the left is vegetable and grain. Vegetable and grain is number 1. Then number 2 is poultry and fish. Okay, number 2 is poultry and fish. And this one, this number here, number 3 is defrost. Number 3 is power defrost. Then number 4, okay, is my plate. Number 4 is my plate. Then number 5, this button here is microwave. And this button here, number 6, is deodorization. And this one is child lock. I must say this one, this number, I'm not quite sure what it is. And this is the hub for you to set the clock and also dial knock. Okay, and also turntable on and off is this from here. Okay, so from here you can dial the number to particular one. This one is for you to stop, and this is the start. With this start, you can also increase the time you want to cook or warm your food. So whatever you are cooking, you just need to put the food you are cooking inside. Now you need to select the type of food you are cooking. You need to select if you are cooking vegetable and grain or poultry and fish. If you are cooking vegetable and grain, for instance, you need to select vegetable and grain, okay, program. Then select the dial knob. Okay, so select the size of the serving. Then after you select the size of the serving, then you select time, and it will start to operate. You can see it will start to operate. Once the time reach, it will stop. So if you want to stop it, you press to stop. If you want to start it again, then you press to start. You can also open it up while the microwave is still ongoing, close it, okay, and start again. Okay, if you want to stop it completely, then you press stop and remove it. Now if you want to cook, also if you want to cook poultry and fish, you select poultry and fish. You can select any particular program, so you need to select any particular. You can see all these are different program of poultry and fish. Okay, then select the dial knob to select the size of the serving. And once you select the size, you can see 300, then you select start. It will give you the time. Then you stop it. Okay, now this button here is defrost. Okay, once you select defrost, then you select time and select start. Start defrost. This one is defrost. Okay, and this one is my plate. This is my plate. Okay, so once you select my plate, you select the serving size. Okay, then start. Select start. Then you stop it. Okay, now this one is microwave. Okay, so if you select microwave, you can see it got different programs. You can see 8, so it got different program. Once you select that, you select this serving time as well. Okay, you can increase the time for how many minutes. You can see 8 minutes, 10 minutes. So you just need to use this knob, okay, to increase the time. Then you select start. Then if you want to increase, you can also increase the time by pressing this button to increase the time. Then if you want to stop it, then you select stop, you go back. You also have option for you to set the time by pressing this button here. Okay, press the button here for you to select the time into 24 hours or 12 hours. If you select it, then you select it again. You use the dial knob to change the time to particular time you want. Okay, once you select the dial knob, I can see 8 is changing. Then you press the time clock, the start again, it will change, go back to minute. Then you use the dial knob again to select the particular minute, how many minutes you want. And once you select finish, then you press this again and it will start. Okay, so this is how to set the time. You can change the time in 12 hours or 24 hours. And also this got a child safety lock. So this button here is for child safety. So to put the microwave, okay, you can select this. This is microwave. So from 1 to the third one, the third button is microwave. Once you select it, then you need to select the time. So you need to select the time by turning the hub knob to the right. Okay, so turning it to the right, then you select start and it will start. Okay, so this is how it works. And also when you select the time, you can also increase it by pressing this button here. You can also want to stop it, then press stop to go back. Another way to use this is also you can also put the stuff you want to warm or cook to the microwave and select start. Then increase the time as you like by pressing it continuously. So you can see the time is going up. So you can also select the time, but the only thing is it will be making this noise, and you know so then cancel it. Okay, so that's another way. So put your food in. Okay, then you select microwave. Okay, is this third button here from the left, so it's microwave. Then once you select microwave, you can see have different numbers, so depending on number or the heat level. Okay, I can see 100. So the 800 I think is the heat level. Okay, so you can see 800. This one is 600, 400, and 300, and 100. So this is kind of low level in terms of warm the food. Okay, then once you select that, then the next thing you need to do, you need to select the time by using this hub knob. Okay, turn it to the right. You can see the time will be changing. Once you select the actual time you want, then you select start. While it's warming, also you can also, like I said earlier, you can also increase the time again by pressing this button. If you want to stop it, then you press stop. Okay, so this is the authorization. Once you select the authorization, it will start. The program will deodorize itself, and once it's finished, it will stop. Okay, so this one is child lock. This button here is for child lock, and you lock it up, then the microwave will not open. And once it's finished, you also need to press it here to unlock it. Okay, so this is the child lock. You can see, press it down, it will show you this L that is locked. Okay, and also when you open it up, you can see it's not opening. Okay, then until you press it again, then for you to open it. So this is exactly how this works. I hope this will help you to use this. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.